A blessed evening to you, sir. I am Bernalab Eldoracho, and for today's video, I'll be presenting my written code based on a given problem solving. So let's start. So as you can see, my code has already established in this application since I did check it a while ago, and this application will be the one that I will be using when running my program. So let's continue. First, we have the identifier my exam code, and then of course we have to apply the basic Java program, which is the public statistic void and so on and so forth. And by the way, as you noticed, I use if and else statement since it is a chain of statement which evaluate orders. So we can also use this operator for checking whether the number is odd or even. So, this is my variable, which is m and n. And if my variable is an even number, then it will be added by 100 and divided by 2. So if the quotient is equal to 25, then it is a quarter. And if the quotient, which is 25, is lower than 25, then it is less than a quarter. And if the quotient is higher than 25, then it is more than 2 quarter. So that's the identification if is even. So let's proceed. Then odd number will be in this variable, an odd number will be subtracted by 1 divided by 2 and then multiplied by 6. So either it's the if the product is more than 100, then yes, too high. And if the product is lower than 100, then the answer will be too low. So the product result must indicate if it is an odd number. So to check this code, let's try to run it. Okay, so enter your first number. So my first number will be 20 25. So let's run. So we have 25 numbers. So notice this. If the number is an odd number, which is 25, then we have the product of 72. So the indication, either it's more than 100, then it's yes. But here, the identification says that lower than 100. So the answer will be no, too low. So that's it. So let's try another. 26. Run. So here we have another number which is 26. So notice this as well. If the number is even, then we will get the result of quotient 63. Identification here is if the quotient is equal to 25, then it is a quarter. If it is lower, then less than 2 quarter. If it is higher, then more than 2 quarter. So the indication here, since we have the result of 62, then it is more than 2 quarter. Since it is higher than 25. So that could be all for today's video. I hope I discussed it well. Thank you and God bless.